Okay guys, so we have two keys, Ctrl Z, the most pressed shortcut on your keyboard. But here is a question you have probably never asked yourself. What if it just disappeared? Not just from your keyboard, from the entire concept of programming itself. No undo, no going back ever. Stick around because by the end of this video, you are going to look at every single line of code you write completely different. Let's break this down. Control plus Z feels like such a tiny, boring shortcut, right? You barely even think about it. You type something wrong, you hit undo, life goes on. But here is the thing, undo isn't just a keyboard shortcut, it's a whole philosophy baked into how we code. Let's think about it. Every time you write code, you are allowed to be wrong. You can experiment, you can break things on purpose just to see what happens. And if it goes badly, pressed Ctrl plus Z like nothing ever happened. Now, what if that safety note just vanished? What if every single character you type was permanent? So let's switch to our code screen and look how thing works when there is no undo. So we are writing a function and make a typo. Like we type USRE name instead of username, like misspell. Normally Control plus Z fix it 5 seconds done, but remember there is no undo. So every single place in your entire project that needs this variable has to call it misspelled on purpose forever. So multiply that by every tiny mistakes you have ever made while coding. Suddenly your code base does not look like clean professional. Now let's do debugging. Debugging is basically guess, try, fail, undo, try again. It's a loop, a safe loop. But without undo, every guess is final. You add a print statement to check a value, guess what? The print statement is now stuck in your code forever because you can't delete lines. Only add more. So programmers in this world would not try things. They would have to simulate everything in their head first, like a chess player. Right now we have Git. Git basically is Control plus Z, but for the entire project. So processing Git, I'm gonna tell you the little scary part. So the scary part is this is not just a fun. What if this has actually happened? Like in the real world to real companies? Yes, in 2012, a trading company called Knight Capital pushed out new code to their live server. There was a bug, and because there was no quick way to undo it, no safety net there, that one bug started making bad trades automatically. In just 45 minutes, before anyone could stop it, the company lost over $440 million. 45 minutes, that's it. That's how fast things go wrong when there is no undo button for your systems. And it's not only the one. GitLab, a company that literally builds developer tools, once accidentally deleted their own production database. Their backups also failed. They lost hours of user data and had to publicly explain what went wrong. These were not beginners, these were skilled professional engineers, but even they got burned by the same thing our imaginary world has, like a missing undo. So obviously programmers could not just live with that risk, so they built their own version of Control plus Z. But for the entire systems, entire teams, entire companies, it's called Git. And if Control plus Z is undo for a single file, Git is undo for your entire project history. So every change, every mistake, every version saved. So let's come back to our topic. What if programming had no undo? It would be slower, more stressful, but that's not the world we live in. We built Control plus Z, we built Git, we built an entire culture around one idea that mistakes are totally okay as long as you know how to fix them. That's actually why this channel exists. It's called Control Z because coding is not about being perfect for the first time. It's about writing something, breaking it, fixing it, and getting better every single time. That's literally how you grow as a developer. So on this channel, that's exactly what we will do. Break things on purpose, debug them together, and undo our way into becoming better programmers. If this sounds like your kind of content, hit subscribe. Thanks for the watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.